Today we're diving into the impressive features of the WINIX AM80 Air Purifier, designed for large rooms up to 1,740 square feet in just 1 hour. This powerhouse utilizes a True HEPA filter to capture 99.99% of airborne allergens, including pollen, dust, smoke, and pet dander, down to an astonishing 0.01 microns. Equipped with a washable fine mesh pre-filter and an advanced odor control carbon filter, it not only tackles the largest indoor particles but also reduces VOCs and household odors, extending the life of the HEPA filter. The PlasmaWave Air Cleaning Technology and real-time air quality indicator keep you informed with LED lights, while smart sensors adjust the fan speed automatically for optimal performance. Enjoy ultra-quiet operation at just 27 decibels on the lowest setting, and let the automated sleep mode ensure energy efficiency when the room is dark. Plus, the convenient filter replacement indicator ensures you're always breathing clean air. Experience the ultimate in air purification with the WINIX AM80, where advanced technology meets everyday comfort. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.